Oy, te! Masakit ang likod mo. Tara, stretching tayo. Yung stretching na gagawin natin ngayong araw na ito ay para sa inyo mga titos and titas na medyo nahihirapang bumangon sa umaga dahil masakit ang likod. Ang stretching na ito ay para rin sa mga gusto maging flexible and improve their mobility. Kung hindi po tayo nag-i-stretch, kalimitan ng mga stress ay namumuo lang sa shoulder natin, dito sa lower back, and sa binte. Kung gusto po natin maibalik ang fluidity ng galaw natin like when we were younger, kailangan po tayo mag-stretch regularly. Kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa pag-stretching, dahan-dahan lang po tayo para maiwasan ang injury. If you want to be flexible, you will get there, but not today. You have to practice regularly. 10 minutes lang mga besh. So kung ready ka na, ready na rin ako. Let's go stretch! Mag-start tayo with a few neck rolls. 4 clockwise and 4 counterclockwise. Ramdamin lang natin yung weight ng ating ulo and just let it stretch itself. Next na gagawin natin ay child's pose. Make sure yung legs nyo ay nakaspread sa mat. Your head is placed on the mat as well. And i-stretch nyo lang yung arms nyo and reach out as far as you can. Dito mararamdaman nyo yung stretch sa inyong shoulder and sa lower back. Next stretch is cat and cow pose. Dito i-arch natin yung likod natin towards the ceiling. And then inhale for the cow variation. And exhale for cat variation. We're gonna do a fluid motion here. And make any movement na mas nararamdaman nyo yung stretch sa likod. Itong next stretching natin is forward fold and halfway lift. Inhale. And then exhale, ilalagay lang natin yung ating kamay sa gitna ng ating puso. Inhale again and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And then gagawin lang natin tong motion na to for a few more times. Next is downward dog. Ipipedal nyo lang yung paa nyo para ma-stretch yung legs at saka yung inyong talampakan. Feel free to make any kind of movement here para mas maramdaman niyo yung stretch. Next stretch, head to knee. Kung ano lang po yung kaya nating abutin, ayun lang po muna tayo. Kung sa knee, kung sa ankle, or kung kaya naman i-stretch hanggang sa may talampakan, abutin po natin. Itong stretch na ito ay para sa ating spine. Let go of all the pressure doon sa ulo natin. And then, kung para mas maramdaman niyo yung stretch sa likod, you can bend your legs slightly and feel that stretch dun sa spine. Side stretch. Pag ginawa niyo tong stretch na to, make sure you're looking up. Tingin kayo dun sa ceiling nyo para mas maramdaman nyo yung stretch sa side nyo at mas maging maganda yung form habang nag-i-stretching. Of course, gagawin din natin to sa kabilang part. Same way. Look up para maging maganda yung form. Now, give yourself a big hug, knee to chest. Mararamdaman mo rin yung stretch nito, especially sa may bandang likuran ng inyong neck. And now we're gonna do some lower back twisting. So, yung left leg nyo is nasa right side and yung left arm nyo is on the other side and you're looking to the other side of the stretch. Gamitin nyo yung right hand nyo para mas maramdaman nyo yung twist. Another big hug. And then, magti-twist naman tayo sa kabila. Make sure nakalapat yung shoulder nyo sa floor para mas maramdaman nyo yung twist ng stretching na to. Cobra pose. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko kasi mas ramdam yung stretching sa lower back. And then now we are going to do circular motion. 4 pa kanan and 4 din pabalik. So dito, hindi lang ini-stretch ang lower back, ini-stretch mo din yung shoulder mo and then yung spine. Enjoy that yummy feeling. Now, pabalik naman tayo. Any movement na feeling nyo is mai-stretch kayo and mas masarap yung feeling, go for it. Yoga is very flexible. You can do whatever you want. Batay sa kakayahan nyo. And now, let's go back to child's pose and cobra pose. Huwag nyo pong kakalimutang huminga. And now, we're gonna do some breathing. Breathe in. And out. Another one. Breathe in. And breathe out. Namaste.
These my dollars make it hurt.